Hey Ziger fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a hydrating mist with raw sea moss. Many of you may have heard of sea moss because it's such a powerhouse ingredient for overall health. Did you know that it contains 92 minerals of the 102 minerals the entire body is composed of? That's right. So whether you are consuming orally or applying topically, make sure you are sourcing your sea moss raw and well crafted from tropical or subtropical regions to get the most of the nutrients. One of the most powerful reasons I use sea moss for hydration is because it's a vegan collagen. This means that regular use helps you grow thicker, fuller, healthier hair naturally. It restores any damage, strengthens hair roots, and nourishes the scalp. So to prepare your hydrating mist, first you'll need to thoroughly rinse your sea moss to remove any debris, and then rinse again. Add your sea moss to a bowl or pot with water and soak in the fridge for 8 hours or more. After soaking, you should see that your sea moss is now plump and soft. Next, we'll simmer the moss as it gently dissolves on its own. Slowly, the entire pot will be full with a gel-like liquid that is your sea moss hydrating mist or gel. Also, remember not to boil your sea moss because we don't want to denature the nutrients of this plant. Once melted, remove your gel from the stove and blend it to get any extra moss dissolved. If you're going to be using your sea moss as a mist, pour some of your sea moss in a spray bottle and you can use it straight away. You can store the rest of your mixture in a container and leave it in the fridge overnight with the lid to get a more gel-like consistency. I made a larger amount because I'll be using a portion of this batch in our teas, soups, and smoothies this week, and maybe even some skincare. Today, I need to hydrate my braid out, so I'll just be using the liquid version. I like this sea moss mist for the fro because when it dries, there's a slight hold and no flaking. So if you're looking for something lightweight and natural without too much shrinkage to hydrate your curls, this recipe is for you. Not to mention, it will make your hair soft as a cloud. Well, Ziger fam, that's all for now. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.